Hey everybody, it's Jenny from Norman S. Wright, and for today's video, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from everyone at Norman S. Wright.
Merry Christmas from Norman Wright Pacific! Aloha!
Merry Christmas from Utah!
The Chico office of Norman S. Wright Mechanical Equipment would like to wish everyone a Merry and Blessed Christmas
And a Happy New Year!
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
I wish everybody at NSW a very happy holiday, along with a happy, healthy, and fun new year. We look forward to seeing all of you in 2023. Sal,
Merry Christmas, everybody, from Norman Wright.
see you next year. Have fun.